Hi, and welcome to our FUNtivity zone. Today, we're going to be talking about goods and services, so let's jump in. In this lesson, we'll be talking about what people spend their money on. We'll define goods and services, and then we'll think about how we can provide goods and services to make money of our own. Let's get started. The first thing that we need to understand is that everything that people spend their money on is either a good or a service. Can you think of the last thing you spent money on? First up, we'll define good. What is a good? A good is something that we buy that we can physically touch with our hands. Examples of goods are cupcakes, cars, and books. Next up, we'll define service. What is a service? A service is when we pay someone to do something for us. Some examples of services include paying someone to mow your lawn, paying someone to clean your house, or paying someone to walk your dog. Now it's time to practice. We're going to show you pictures of different goods and services, and all you have to do is sort them into the correct category. First up, we have a soccer ball. Is a soccer ball a good or a service? It's a good. Awesome job. It's a good because we know we can physically touch it and hold it in our hands. Next up, we have a hairdresser. Does a hairdresser sell a good or a service? They sell a service. Awesome job. When you go visit the hairdresser, you can't walk out with something you can physically touch or hold in your hand, but they do cut your hair for you. Next up, we have a tablet. Is a tablet a good or a service? It's a good. Awesome job. We can physically hold it in our hands and touch it, so it is a good. Next up, we have a garage mechanic. If your car were to break down and you take it somewhere to get fixed, is that person providing a good or a service? It's a service. Awesome job. You're paying the garage mechanic to fix your vehicle. Next up, we have a plumber. If you call the plumber over to your house because your sink is clogged, are they providing a good or a service? A service. Great work. If a plumber comes over to fix the sink that you already have, they are providing a service. And last, but certainly not least, we have a coat. Is a coat a good or a service? A coat is a good. Great job! You can physically hold a coat in your hand and wear it when it's cold out, so it is a good. Now that you're familiar with goods and services, let's think about how we can use what we've learned today to make money of our own. Can you think of any goods or services that you might be able to sell that other people might want or need? One service that you might be able to provide is babysitting. Be sure to check with your parents before starting. They might even know of friends or family members that are in need of a babysitter. Another way you might be able to make money is by selling lemonade. Lemonade is a really tasty good that many people like to enjoy on a hot summer day. You want to be sure to check with your parents before setting up a lemonade stand and consider all the items that you'll need to make the lemonade, but it's a great way to make a little extra money. We hope this video helped you understand the difference between goods and services and how they impact our daily lives. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.